Softmax is a special activation function. It is used in deep learning. It converts raw scores into probabilities. These probabilities always sum up to 1.
Softmax exponentiates each value and divides by the sum. This makes larger numbers dominate, ensuring all outputs are between 0 and 1 and add to 1.
In the output layer of a neural network, Softmax is used for multi-class problems. It tells us the probability of each class, like cat, dog, or bird.
Advantages: interpretable outputs as probabilities, handles multiple classes efficiently, and works great with cross-entropy loss. Softmax is differentiable, gives a probability distribution, and is a generalization of the sigmoid function for multiple classes.
Disadvantages: sensitive to outliers because of exponentials. Can suffer from numerical instability with very large numbers.
To fix instability, we subtract the maximum value before applying Softmax. This is the standard trick used in all deep learning frameworks. Use Sigmoid for binary classification. Yes, use Softmax for multi-class. Softmax is basically multiple sigmoids that sum to 1. Always use Softmax in the final layer for multi-class classification problems. It's the standard choice in CNNs, transformers, and almost all classifiers.